Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich salad recipe ideal as a healthy meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. First I'm making a healthy salad dressing, and for that into my small chutney grinder I'm adding in 7 to 8 overnight soaked almonds which I have peeled. A small piece of ginger which I am roughly slicing and adding in. 1 salted amla which I have roughly chopped. I have already shared how to make salted amlas at home. Link will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. If you have access to fresh amla, you can use 1 fresh amla instead of the salted amla. 1/4 of a raw mango which I have roughly chopped. If you don't have access to raw mango, you can use half to 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. 1 green chilli. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Add in 1/4 cup water. Squeezing in half a lemon. Half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. 1/3 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Note that the salted amla has little extra salt, so add salt accordingly. Into this I'm adding in a handful of coriander leaves. Note that I'm also adding the stalk of the coriander leaves. I'm roughly slicing the coriander leaves into the chutney grinder. And I'm going to blend this really well. Once nicely blended, pour the salad dressing onto a small glass container, and my super healthy salad dressing is ready. This salad dressing will keep good in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. This is the consistency of the salad dressing. If you want to thin it out, you can adjust water when you are blending this. So add water to adjust your preferred consistency of the salad dressing. I'm heating my kadai with 1 teaspoon wood pressed sesame oil, also known as til oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 1 cup sprouted green moong dal. Give it a quick stir. Adding in half cup green beans, 2 carrots, 1 onion diced, and give this all a good mix. Add in 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Add in a couple of splashes of water, stir well, cover and allow the vegetables to steam cook on high flame for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a good stir. At this stage, the vegetables are steam cooked. Add in half cup capsicum chopped. Give it a good stir. Reduce the flame and cover for about 20 to 30 seconds. 30 seconds later, open the lid. Give it a quick stir. Turn off the flame and transfer the vegetables onto a serving bowl. Drizzle in the salad dressing. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top, a fat pinch of black pepper powder, and my super healthy vegetable salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy salad recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.